On education, we spend the second most of any country in the world on our school systems, yet we don't get an acceptable return on investment. Our schools in Harford County rank very high, in a state that ranks #1 in the country. Years ago, that might have meant something. But as we know, our country's schools have plummeted in the world rankings. Being #1 no longer is something to write home about. The U.S. now ranks 23rd in the world in science. We continually lowered standards, taught our students to pass standardized tests, and watched classroom discipline all but disappear. It's no wonder we rank so low in the world. In math, we rank 25th. But there's one place that we rank high: self-esteem. U.S. students rank #1 in the world. Let's stop lowering our standards so we can tell ourselves what a great job we're doing. We need to get back to what has always worked in our classrooms: strong math and science curriculum. Add in there a new focus on foreign language, a learning environment that does not tolerate violence, intimidation, bullying, or disruption to students who want to learn. Our children face a global economy of 7 billion people who are their competition for high-paying jobs. Key to the American dream is a first-rate education, not a false sense of self-worth. We owe this to our kids.